Everybody knows avocados are really healthy and can help you to lose belly fat. But here's the shocking truth. Avocados alone cannot help you to lose belly fat. But when you combine avocados with this specific nutrient, science shows it can trigger up to 5 times more belly fat loss. So today I'm going to reveal this specific nutrient which when combined with avocados can help you to lose that stubborn belly fat which you have been trying to lose for a very long time. Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta, a former Cleveland Clinic functional medicine physician from US. I help people with chronic diseases to improve them in more natural ways. Now, everyone wants to lose the stubborn belly fat, and that is the most difficult thing to do. People have tried different kinds of diet, they have tried different kinds of teas, and sometimes have taken expensive supplements. And now these days, the Ozempic, which is the GLP-1 medicine, getting very popular for fat loss. But what most people don't know is that to lose that stubborn belly fat, you need more than just reducing your calories. To burn that belly fat, you need 4 key properties. The very first property for any food to help you to lose that stubborn belly fat is to keep you full longer. What that means is that that particular medicine or food should keep you full longer so that you don't overeat and you are consuming less calories. The second thing it need to do is that it need to activate fat burning, which we also call as fat oxidation. Without this property, you are actually going to lose muscle and not the actual fat. This is a very major problem with the GLP-1 medications because in reality, people lose the muscle and not the fat because they do not have any properties of burning your fat or fat oxidation. The third key property is reducing inflammation. Chronic inflammation in your body promotes deposition of fat inside your cells and doesn't let your cells to burn that fat. So you need that particular food which can help in reducing this inflammation. The last key component over here is you need a food which can help you to stabilize blood sugar, improve insulin sensitivity. Because when you have blood sugar spikes or insulin spikes, that's the time your cells start storing fat because that's a fat storing signal. So as you will see, these are the 4 key properties which is needed to burn the belly fat, which even the most popular medicine Ozempic alone cannot reach it. So that's the reason combination of foods work really very great. So let's talk about avocados, how they help you to lose weight, but how avocados lack in certain ways. That's the reason you are unable to lose weight with avocados alone. So avocados help you to lose weight by keeping you full for a very long amount of time. The reason being avocados are very high in soluble as well as insoluble fiber. Plus avocados have healthy fats. What this means is that the food stays longer in your stomach so you feel full for a long amount of time. Plus it also reduces sugar craving because they stabilize your blood sugar because of the high amount of good quality fat. Another way they keep you full is that by improving your gut microbiome. The second way avocados help you to lose weight is by stabilizing your blood sugar. Avocados are very low in carbohydrates, but they are very high in monosaturated fats. What that means is that when you consume avocados, there are no insulin spikes happening. So that way there is no blood sugar spikes. So your blood sugar levels are stabilized whenever you are eating them. So the body actually doesn't store fats when you are consuming avocados. So here's the catch. Avocados are missing 2 key properties. One of the key properties is that avocados doesn't do anything to improve the fat burning or fat oxidation in your body. Plus avocados are not a powerful source of antioxidants. That means they do not help your body in significantly reducing inflammation inside your cells. So this is where we need to help avocado with this specific key nutrient which has both of these properties. What is this key nutrient? This is the EGCG antioxidant which comes from green tea. Yes, you might have heard of green tea which can help you to lose weight. But again, as you will see, green tea alone doesn't work to lose weight. But when you combine it with avocados, the combo works really great in losing weight. And today I'm also going to share with you what is the best way of combining these 2 foods and what is the best time of consuming them. So let's first talk about green tea. The green tea has a compound called EGCG. EGCG along with a little bit of caffeine which is present naturally in in green tea actually increases your basic metabolic rate, and plus it also increases fat oxidation, which is also called as fat burning. So by increasing your basic metabolic rate and also increasing your fat oxidation, it sends the signal to your body to start burning this stored fat which is present in your body. And that helps specifically in losing the belly fat. The second important way green tea helps in losing weight is that it has very high amount of antioxidant compound called catechins. These catechins help your body in reducing inflammation very significantly, thereby helping your cells to work better so that they do not store the excess fat. But here's the problem with green tea. When they increase your metabolism, you feel more hungry. Thereby people typically will eat more food. This is where avocado is a big savior because it keeps you full longer and also reduces the food craving. So this is the reason the food combo works really good. Avocados are going to keep you full. They are going to stabilize your blood sugar. Plus green tea is actually going to increase your metabolism and basic metabolic rate, plus reduce inflammation in the body. So now this combo works on all the key 4 properties that can help you to lose that stubborn belly fat. Now let's talk about what is the best time and best way of consuming both of these. So the best time actually to consume both of these things is as your morning breakfast. The reason being, most of the people are consuming high carbohydrate morning breakfast, which spikes your insulin and causes too much inflammation and sends the signal in your body to store more belly fat. While if you're consuming half an avocado with 1 cup of green tea, then you are getting the good fats, you're getting no carbohydrates. Plus, this is going to keep you full longer for the whole day, and your green tea is going to start burning that stored fat in your body. So if you replace your breakfast with eating half avocado with 1 cup of green tea, that will going to start your day in the right way. But if this is not enough for you as a breakfast, then pair it with a good quality protein, which can be some fish or chicken, or if you're a vegan or vegetarian, you can go with half a cup of either boiled chickpeas or boiled beans, or even better, you can just do half a cup of sprouts. So that's one way of including avocados and green tea to help to lose a belly fat. The second way is actually using it as a snack. The evening snacks are the worst thing which you can do to your body, because most of the people are again going for those carbohydrate rich snacks. So instead of those carbohydrate snacks, if you switch over to again either doing half avocado with half or 1 cup of green tea, that can again be helpful in losing that stubborn belly fat. So instead of using those chips or cookies or those processed snacks, use avocados in the form of guacamole or just avocado slices with half or 1 cup of green tea. You can always add some veggie sticks along with it. So this is the best way of combining avocados and green tea together that can give you the maximum benefit of helping you to lose that stubborn belly fat. So avocados are still a superfood because they have so many nutrient benefits for your body, specifically in helping you in losing weight. But they are not a complete food that can help you to lose a belly fat. This is where combining them with green tea can make them the superfood which can help you to lose the weight that you want. Consistency is the key over here, and then obviously combining them with an anti-inflammatory diet and also doing a 20 to 30 minute workout each and every day will boost the benefit of this combo for you. So try this out for the next 3 to 4 weeks and apply that in your daily lifestyle changes and see if you are able to lose some of those inches around your belly. And plus, do you feel more energized and more healthier in your own body? I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel, as well as share this video with others who can benefit from this great information. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.